So it's bright out today. Really not. It's really gloomy, but it's sunny for some reason behind the clouds. But you know who I am, and it doesn't need to change anything that you already know what we're doing. We do all of these raps. So let's start with something that I showed you last week. Bam!
That's nice, Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up.
You liked it, didn't you? You know you did. But now I told you we got the husband. Told you we got the husband right now. Pause on that. For real though. I got something that we about to rap. You see it. Boom. Whew. This thing right here will fly. And what we gonna do is we gonna match his fly. Right here. This is just something that we gonna take it. They already had it wrapped before, but they didn't get it wrapped by us. So now we're gonna have something. They wanted something a little bit different, but really more spectacular. I can say a lot more, but we're just gonna get straight to the business, because that's what we're about.
The fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace on my pendant. And we still independent.
Ay, filling my pocket with legal tender.
So you see the whole shit broken down. You better have shit. But now we were just waiting on the fucking vinyl to come in. I'm gonna tell you a whole story on that. So shout out to these guys out here. You see them doing that. You see the link in the description below. And it might pop up on some shit too. But back to the fact of the matter, we about to do some big raps for a big show, for big clients. Big shit, big steppers. Watch us grow. Follow me.
What you saying before you done brought it to me? Brought all my soul to the masses. As soon as I dropped out of classes, I knew it was over. Lately I feel like I'm cashes in poverty. Made me a savage, just weight on my shoulder. Told my little baby the waiting is over. I showed her I'm really the man. All of these rappers be trying to send me their songs. I just told them to send me a band.
Alright. Jeff. Good news. Let me just sit right here just to let you know and explain a few things that's going on. So her in the back, she's just coming through. We did a lot of things to her. It's looking great. It's looking up. I can say the recovery is gonna be strong for the next couple of days. Take her easy. You know, I know you was worried. It took some time, but we here now. You ready to go see her?
Yep.
She's awake.
Let's go see if she's alright. Let's go. Yes. This is nice. This is nice.
Don't do that, you know the drill. Filling my pocket with legal tender. Cost me to be the winner. Shining so hard they gon' see me in her. No more TV dinners. All that I know is I know what I know, and I gotta go learn what I don't. I do recall how them that treated me. Wish I could say that it healed, but I won't. I've been up middle of night. Got a new riddle to write. That's the life of an artist. Girl, you too pretty to fight. Let's just be civil tonight. I'ma love you regardless. All of this love in the air. What are you not breathing or something? What's up? Be tripping on power. Talking to me like I need them or something. That's tough.
Told you. We don't play around over here.
Dope.
So let me do what we always do. It's this time right now. Take those.
Think that I'm giving a just give it some time. Don't even give them attention. If ever I feel their intention is different from mine, I do whatever I wanna, and most of them only gon' do what they fit in a break. Popping too much for the populous area. Roll me a blunt and go sit by the lake. Living my life in the moment. The power is present, and present is all that we got. None of these ain't telling me nothing. The moment they hear it, it's already hot. I know that well what I know. I can't speak what I don't. I don't stress how you feel, so I'm gonna do what I want. Know that well what I know. I don't speak what I don't. I can't stress how you feel, so I'm gonna